Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January 31st, 2023, and the seeds are coming out in the stores here. So I had my mom pick out some varieties yesterday for some stuff that I know we needed. So I was going to do this video a little differently, but unfortunately the lighting was not cooperating with me, so I wound up having to do the video like this. I got a lavender Munstead. I'm planting a lot of lavender this year because I always run out of lavender. So I got a pack here of the lavender Munstead. This one is supposed to have a really strong fragrance to it. And it's supposed to be really good for containers. So, let's see here. 50 to 70 days to harvest. That's nice. Some lavender blooms the first year from seed. I know the lady lavender does. And some of the other lavenders, they'll bloom like in their second year from seed. So, I needed some more butterfly weed. And this year's, it's the butterfly flower. It's also known as butterfly weed. And this is loved by pollinators. Now, this blooms 365 days plus. So I'll plant it this year and it'll bloom next year. I was hoping to get that it would bloom this year, but they're saying 365 days for it to bloom. So we'll have blooms from this one here next year. I was looking at online. I had found like 500 seeds for like, I think it was like $9.95 or something like that. But by the time I made up my mind if I wanted any more butterfly weed, they had sold out of it. So my mom found this for me in the store. So we went ahead and got this. And we are completely out of zucchini relish. We ate all of our homemade zucchini relish. So we're going to be growing quite a bit of zucchinis this year for our homemade zucchini relish. And this one here is a 50 days to harvest. 50 days after you plant your seeds. Typically you should be able to start harvesting from this one now. And all of these things here for the days to harvest, weather and different things, how much they're fed, if they have to be transplanted. That can all account into how long it actually takes these to bloom. And what they're fed. If you have like flowers or something, and you're feeding with a high nitrogen plant food, you're not going to get your flowers. You're going to get foliage. So that's something else to take into consideration. But we went with the Fort Hook zucchini. Black Beauty is another good one. This is what they had in at the store, so I told her the Fort Hook one is a good one. So we got this one here. And you can also fry these. These work really great for frying, and you can put them like in your soups. You can make like vegetarian spaghetti sauce, and you can put zucchini in with it. That's really good too. So the last one here, my dad has a homemade hot relish that he likes to make. And he was out of hot peppers, so we got this mix here. This one here is a 75 days to harvest. Let me see what all's in this one here. From green. Okay, they don't actually tell me the different varieties in this one here, but when I seen that it was a mix of different types of hot peppers, I figured that one was going to be good for him. The variety that he had used before, we couldn't find that mix, so we're going to try the Ferry Morris hot mix, and hopefully he likes it. So I also have bunny tail seeds coming. I planted what I had. I ran out. So I went ahead and ordered some more. They're coming through the mail. And I've been going through my catalog that I have all of my seeds listed in. And I'm looking to see what we're out of, what we have. I'm not the only one who takes the seeds out. So what actually happens with my catalog is I write everything in, what I have, where it's at, and then as stuff gets taken out, it's supposed to get crossed off, but it doesn't always get crossed off. So that's how we ran out of some of this stuff. But as you know, when I start these from seed, I'm going to show you how to start it from seed. I do videos on my channel for how to start lavender from seed. I'm probably going to do this one here in a video just by itself to show you a new way that I started my lavender. I started it in flats, and we're going to do like the zucchinis and the hot peppers. I don't know, we might show how we make our zucchini relish and the hot pepper relish. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see what everybody else says about that. So I'll be coming back later on with videos from when I sow these different things. We do have other peppers that we're going to be growing this year. I got the onion seeds pulled out because we're going to be starting them pretty soon. I got some eggplants. I want eggplants this year, and I got some of those pulled out for seeds, and we're going to be doing a whole bunch of different seed sowings. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!